Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. First up we have this pixie haircut. So she starts off with really long hair, I would say maybe about tailbone length, and she ends up with this gorgeous pixie cut. Absolutely stunning transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So this next transformation is going to feature this beautiful rose gold shaven faded pixie cut. The color looks absolutely amazing. And then we have another big chop transformation. So the stylist is actually going to be doing more of like a layered hairstyle for this one. This is a great option if you do have longer hair and you are looking to add some shape and volume to it. Then we have a beautiful bob. Her red blazer looks so cute and chic. Love it paired with the bob. And then we have another kind of curly shaggy cut. Her texture looks absolutely amazing. It looks like she has a little hint of pink mixed in there as well. And then we have this bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous, fresh bob haircuts, absolutely stunning. So I hope that today's video was able to inspire you. If you want to see even more hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.